In today's video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot GlobalProtect VPN issues. So the first thing you may want to do is check your internet connection and make sure that you are connected on a stable Wi-Fi. Next is try closing the Global Protect app. So you basically just have to restart it by fully closing it, then reopen it and try connecting once again. If that doesn't work, try rebooting your phone. This often clears temporary glitches. Next is head over to your phone's Play Store or App Store and check for any updates. An outdated Global Protect client can cause connection issues, so install the latest version if available. You can also try switching networks, for example, from Wi Fi switch to mobile hotspot to rule out local network restrictions. Finally, if nothing works, you can try contacting your IT support team and provide any error messages you see for they can help diagnose the issue faster. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!